In this video, I'll show you how I created this sweater nail. Hey guys, I'm going to be doing my first ever sweater nail on this finger. So I've already dipped and applied my matte top coat. And this is gonna be my first time attempting a sweater nail. I've never tried to swatch it or try to watch a video, but I kind of have an idea of what needs to be done, hopefully. So I'm gonna use some gel top coat. And then I'm gonna mix in some of the dip I used on that finger, which was, I think it's called Ballet by Revel. I'm going to mix it in. All right, I think that's as mixed as it's going to get. Now that that's mixed in, I'm going to be using this tiny brush and trying to draw the sweater design on it. I hope I'm doing this right. And for those of you watching that have done a sweater nail, if I am doing something wrong or you have any tips, just let me know. I'm hard-headed and refuse to watch a tutorial on this, but we'll see how it goes. And because I didn't watch a tutorial, I did mess this up. Just keep watching and you'll see. You know, I should have at least looked up a picture of what design I wanted to do, because I just know I'm gonna do the 2 lines and I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I take forever doing my nails, guys. Like, forever. I don't know how some of you guys are so fast. I don't know if I should cure this before I work on the middle. And it's looking kind of crooked, but that's okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna let it bug me. It's okay. It's really bugging me, but it's okay. It's okay. Now, it's really bothering me that that's not straight. Ugh. I don't know what to do. We should have looked this up. Is anybody else like me that just tries to wing it and then ends up with a horrible, horrible design? Because that's what's gonna happen to me. I'm trying to wing it and it's not gonna work out in my favor. But this is how I learn. I'm like a hands-on learner. I have to just try stuff and see how it goes. So if this doesn't work, I'll just try again. I just thought it'd be cool to try to show you guys my first attempt at the sweater nail trend. So we'll see. So I'm gonna cure it. Oh no. So that was 60 seconds. And now I say I made a boo-boo because I was supposed to add some powder over this before I cured it. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna just try to trace over it, I guess. All right, see, this is why I should have tried on a swatch because I didn't think this through. I did not think this through. So now it's probably gonna look super thick because I didn't practice. But as I said, this is how I learn. Live and you learn, you do and you learn. I wonder if anybody else has done this. Like 2 coats of the gel. I wonder if anybody has used builder gel instead of gel top coat for this. Builder gel would have probably been a good idea. See, this is why I hate that I don't like to practice on a swatch stick. Because I would have definitely tried builder gel now that I think about it. Next time, next time, next time. Oh my god, I feel like this is gonna come out horrible. Why am I like this? I don't know. So now I'm gonna sprinkle some tip powder. And again, this is the same color, Ballet by Revel Nail. Horrible color to work with, by the way. I don't know about this. I'll cure it again another 60 seconds. All right, so I decided I am gonna add to this just a little something. So I'm gonna add just some lines, like 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines. Looks like a dot. I just thought it looked a little plain. It looked a little too plain. So then I'm gonna do the powder over it again. And I just messed up my top coat a little on my middle finger. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. All right, so that was 60 seconds. And not my best work, but like I said, it was my first time. I learned, and next time I do it, I'll do it better. So I'll take some pictures in the morning and I'll upload it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep my voice over or I'll just do another voiceover, or I might make it a reel and then post the long version to YouTube. I'll think about it. All right, I'll do better next time.